Peter, what the fuck was that we just saw? It looked like a galaxy made of glowing wires having an existential crisis.
That, Stewie, was a visualization of a neural network, and not just any neural network. We're talking trillions of parameters. A model so big it makes your tiny evil baby brain look like a potato chip.
Fascinating. Now explain it before I press a large red button unnecessarily.
Alright. A neural network is basically a massive function approximator made of interconnected layers. Each neuron takes in numbers, multiplies them by learnable weights, adds a bias, passes it through a nonlinearity, and sends it forward. Do this billions or trillions of times across layers, and the network starts learning patterns, language, images, reasoning, anything.
So the glowing connections we saw, those were weights?
Exactly. Every line is a weight, and every weight holds information the model learned during training. When a model reaches the trillion-parameter scale, it's like having trillions of tiny switches adjusting to represent meaning, structure, logic, relationships, and context.
And how do these monstrosities actually learn?
Through gradient descent. The model predicts something, compares it to the correct answer, calculates a loss, and backpropagation adjusts every weight in reverse trillions of tiny nudges until the model improves. This repeats billions of times across enormous datasets.
So it's basically a gigantic math engine sculpting itself into intelligence?
Pretty much. And when you visualize it, you see this massive dynamic network layers lighting up, activations flowing, attention heads routing information, tokens influencing other tokens through multi-head attention. It's like watching a digital brain fire in real time.
And the bigger it gets, the smarter it becomes?
In general, yes. More parameters mean more capacity to represent complex functions, but the real magic comes from architecture transformers, attention mechanisms, mixture of experts letting these huge models scale without melting the planet.
Incredible. So that glowing web we saw was essentially a trillion-dimensional intelligence thinking?
Yup. A neural network at that scale isn't just running code, it's processing meaning. That's why people get fascinated watching these visualizations. It's like peeking inside the thought process of a synthetic mind.